starting with the
that inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more. Then you are an excellent leader. Good morning to one and all present here. This is a spectacular day. This day not only marks down the installation of the honorable members to give to their workplace, but also it symbolizes education and importance in our lives. Thus, dear audience, you will eventually discover the beauty of the beautiful day as the event starts too. This day marks out the ceremony for the academic session 2024 to 2025 of the Gita International Business School.
On behalf of Gita Rath International Business School, I, Tohani,
and I, Mehek,
take this opportunity to welcome respected Vice Chairman Sir Mr. Anirudh Jindal, Dean Ma'am Ms. Prachi Jindal, and our beloved faculty members, hardworking office bearers 2023 and 2024, and the new student committee of the academic session 2024-2025 to the investiture ceremony. A significant moment as we witness the transition of leadership in various clubs and societies of our esteemed institution. It's a moment of pride and responsibility as we welcome the new student council members who will assume their offices and lead their respective clubs and societies with dedication and passion. But as per the GIFT tradition, we would like to invite respected Vice Chairman Sir and Dean Ma'am for the lamp lighting ceremony to spread their divine grace. And pray to Lord for the prosperous
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानकाराय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे
nurtured and has its own seed sown in the childhood itself. It is indeed rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made.
the investiture ceremony is one of the most important ceremonies of any college, which reminds us the trust and the confidence we respond in our newly appointed student council. To make this mantle of responsibility, they all pledge to dispense their duty of the best ability and abide by the rules and the regulations of the respected club and society. First, throughout the year, this club remains the epicenter of creativity, innovation, and teamwork. They organize events, conduct workshops, and foster the sense of community spirit among the students of the gift and beyond. With 10 different Club and Society of Deaf, this year introduced Rap Reel, the Music Society of Deaf. From farewell to one chapter, we eagerly anticipate the beginning of another. The incoming counseling member can be chosen for the leadership quality, this vision for the future and the dedication to serve their fellow students. They carry with their hope and the inspiration to their peers, and today they officially embark on the journey of the leadership and service. So now let's invite the newly appointed students of the academic session 2024 to 25 on stage as they march ahead on the drum beat on the drum master Tuhin Mukherjee.
We would now request the respected Vice Chairman Sir and the man to do the honors of presenting the badges to the newly appointed members. We would now request respected Vice Chairman Sir and Dean Ma'am to do the honors of presenting the badges to the newly appointed members so as to instill a sense of duty and pride. Succeeding him, we have the Vice President of Abhinay, Megha Kaushik. The Council for Abhinay sums up with the newly elected scriptwriter, Himika. Next, we have Frames, the Photography Club. The new president of Frames is Priyansh Goyal. Succeeding him, we have the newly appointed video editor, Adish Raj. Now comes the National Service Team, the NSS unit of youth. The post of President of NSS has been backed by Siddharth Taneja. Verma. And the in charge for Paul for Fashion is Chavi Gupta.
Stepping forward for the president. Vice President of Mudra, Karthik Gupta. Classic dance in charge of Mudra. The in charge for table tennis is Aviral Jain. GIFT is the leading business school of Delhi, as its own management club, Mind Vendors, and its is Shivam Kumar. Succeeded them, we had the new marketing in charge Himanshi. And finance in charge Harsh Mittal.
GIFT, as the rising law school of Delhi, has its own law society too, namely the courtroom. The vice president of courtroom. Now we introduce you to RAV, the Music Society of GIFT. Stepping up as the president of RAV is Anamika. We have Kripa as the new vice president of RAV. And Manas as the instrumental in charge. Please give a huge round of applause to the new student council. We request the back team to come on stage. Agni, Tanish Bhandula, Umesh Kumar, Kanishka and Vidushi Gupta.
गैप फिल कर दो थोड़ा सा।
एक लेके छोड़ रहा हूँ।
For the new acquired post, we hope that your duties that come along with may you lead with wisdom, passion and integrity. We have full faith in your ability to steer your club to great heights. Now, request you all to please position yourself for the oath. Let us pledge for the strength and the mutual harmony, unity and the unity amongst the students of the club. Please repeat each line after us and we recite. Solemnly promise and swear. That I will. Consciously. And faithful discharge. To the best of my ability. And the duties and responsibilities. As the office bearer of my club. That I will uphold and defend. The club constituents. And by law. And bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the rules, regulations and policies of the club. That I will actively participate and support all activities and programs that shall hereafter be adopted that shall benefit the club. In journal and the member in particular. And that I will obey the orders and instructions of authorities of gift from time to time. And finally, I take this position and concerned duties and responsibilities. Voluntary and without any coercion or undue influence.
Vice Chairman sir, to speak few words of encouragement for all of us.
I have seen that the clubs and societies have grown in these years, and last year has been phenomenal. The Student Council has worked tremendously, and I have seen that they have really worked very hard. Some of the club bearers, Student Council, have put their heart and soul into the club activities, which has been seen in times. And these new Student Council, you have to take the legacy forward. That is what is required. Now, it is not that these students who were the passing out Student Council, they've been working for some awards, some medals or something like that. They're not going to get anything out of it. It is self-satisfaction. It is their hobby, it is their interest, what they were doing. They were doing everything for themselves. They're not doing it to get some award, some medal, या किसी से कंपटीशन था, नहीं. खुद से ही कंपटीशन था, करने की चाहत थी, इच्छा थी, उस पर आप सब लोगों ने काम किया और बहुत अच्छा काम किया. और जो आज बेस्ट क्लब का अवार्ड जीतेगा, others do not think that they have not won. One has to be the winner, and you need to guide them. You need to introspect. What was the shortcomings where you have not been the best club? And that shortcomings you should discuss with all these new student councils. You should tell them what is required to be done, where you are at fault. आप कहाँ जो है आपके क्लब में, सोसाइटी में कमी रहेगी. उन कमियों को इन लोगों को पूरा करना है और समय समय पे यू नीड टू प्रोवाइड देम द गाइडेंस। रतन टाटा has stepped down from his company, but ऐसा नहीं है उनसे कोई एडवाइस नहीं लेता। तो if you are stepping down from the student council, that doesn't mean that that club is not yours. That's yours. That's your baby. You need to take care of that, and you need to guide them. You need to advise them, and it is your responsibility to take the advice from the old student council, from guidance. अहंकार नहीं होना चाहिए कि आज मैं प्रेसिडेंट बन गया, और नाम के लिए प्रेसिडेंट नहीं होना चाहिए कि हमने अपने चेस्ट पे जो है प्रेसिडेंट का बैच लगवा लिया। That is not sufficient. No. अगर इस चीज के लिए आप यहाँ खड़े हैं तो वो बिल्कुल गलत है। आज हाथ ऊपर करके जो प्लेज लिया है उसके कोई मायने हैं, उस वर्ड्स के कोई मायने हैं, मकसद है। बहुत लोगों को लगता होगा जैसे वो पीछे हरी वाली टी शर्ट में एक सज्जन बैठे हैं, उनको लग रहा है तो मजाक हो रहा है, ये सज्जन आए हैं, ये स्पीच देके चले जाएंगे, रोज देते हैं तो ये भी अब आएंगे यहाँ पे स्पीच देंगे। आ जाओ, नहीं रहते हैं, उनको मौका दीजिए आगे आने, पीछे सवाल पूछे। जो बच्चे जो हैं आपकी क्लास में अटेंडेंट नहीं रहते, और आपके जो बच्चे आप अपने नीचे आप शामिल करेंगे उनको मौका दीजिए। तो सबसे ज़्यादा शरारती बच्चे हैं वो सबसे ज़्यादा काम करते हैं, ध्यान रखिएगा। सबसे ज़्यादा शरारती बच्चे सबसे ज़्यादा काम करेंगे। मैं सबसे ज़्यादा शरारती और मैं सबसे ज़्यादा काम करता हूँ। तो किसी का पढ़ाई में इंटरेस्ट होता है, किसी का एक्टिविटीज़ में इंटरेस्ट होता है, तो किसी चीज़ को नज़रअंदाज नहीं करना चाहिए। हर एक इंसान का अपना इंटरेस्ट है और उस इंटरेस्ट पे हर एक बच्चे को, हर एक फैकल्टी को काम करना चाहिए, उसको नज़रअंदाज नहीं करना चाहिए। ऑफ कोर्स स्टडीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इफ यू वांट टू प्रोवाइड साइड बाय साइड योर इंटरेस्ट आर utmost important. Take the lead of your interest, take the charge of your interest. These clubs and societies are meant for that thing only. और आपको किसी भी चीज की रिक्वायरमेंट है वो जो है कॉलेज आपको प्रोवाइड करेगा। That is an assurance we can give. So let's give the huge round of applause to the new officers. Satisfaction of the outgoing office bearers, and you will take the legacy forward. Say yes or no. Yes. इतना धीरे बोलोगे तो उनके तो वैसे ही जो है मोराल डाउन हो गया। Yes or no. Yes sir. Thank you so much.
On the mantle of leadership to the incoming student council. Now we request the student council to march back as the drum beats and take their place in the audience.
Provide individual support to our students as they embark on their professional journey. This team also be instrumental in organizing career fair, workshop and network events, connecting our students with leading companies and career opportunities. We request our dignitary to present certificate for the third team of 2023-24.
Office bearers who have worked with utmost dedication in the academic year 2023 to 2024. Today, we will also acknowledge the hard work and commitment of the outgoing student council members and extend our heartfelt gratitude for their service to the college. We'll start with the Lakshan Club. Ishankar, President. These students have served their club in an exemplary mark on the club and the entire college community. Each student in this category will receive a medal and a certificate of appreciation. Now, we'll request our Honorable Vice Chairman Sir and Dean Ma'am to present the certificates and the medals. Please give a huge round of applause for the outstanding members of Abhinay. Rishabh Gaur, Sivana Chaudhary and Neha Kaushik. I repeat, Taranjeet and Gagan. For Lakshya, we have Nitin Kumar and Ishankar. In frame, we call upon Mehak Sharma, Dipanshu, Aman Quatra, and Priya. Mehak Sharma. have Naira Hewan, Devna Chauhan, Kili Shankar Verma, Megha Jain, Tanvi Gupta, Khyatri Dubey, and Manav Sharma. Garvit and Abhinav.
So best club what? Conducting events within the college, but how much you have participated outside the vicinity of GIPS, how many accolades you have got for the college, that also mattered. Now rethink about your club, कि आप कितना बाहर गए हैं, कितना जीत के लाए हैं, फिर मुझे बताइए that which is the best club for 2023-24. For 2023-24 goes to the Law Society of Please keep that.
Before setting the bar high for the rest of the club. The Total Society of Law received the Challenger Trophy for the year 2023 to 2024 and a cash prize of 20,000 rupees that will be utilized for the upliftment of the club in the year 2024 to 2023. Everyone, please be silent and take the decor up.
A very good afternoon to one and all, our respective Vice Chairman Sir, Dean Ma'am, respective faculty members and the students, that is the new student council and the old office bearers. This particular ceremony, that is the investiture ceremony, means a lot. It is again being given you the responsibility for the whole year. You are not only representing yourself, but you are representing the institute, maybe on a national or international level. And it begins from the college itself. We are having over here only the students who are outgoing and who are the current representatives of different clubs. If we are not able to maintain the decorum of this room, how again we are going to make our promises which we have to talk to the other students? It begins from the discipline, it begins from other things. It is a request to everyone. It is not only you are representing 9 different clubs of this college. Please again, not only on the events itself, you are there for the responsibility. Whenever, wherever, you have to prove yourselves to be the leaders. You have to take the initiatives. It is today one club is there, you have to force the college that every year, every club represents to be the best, and it becomes very difficult to choose that whom to select and represent. There has to be a tiebreakers. It is again been opportunity of organizing such a great event which is going to fulfill dreams of many and going to show dreams to others also. Thank you everyone.
Rise for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल गायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे
Thank you everyone for your patience and your precious